Maths for YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss question number 5, that is the difference of a number and its reciprocal is 15 by 4. Find the number. So number is x, reciprocal is 1 by x, difference is 15 by 4. So we get x minus 1 over x, 15 by 4. Simply you are going to take the LCM. X, have it at the middle, x square minus 1, 15 by 4. Simply equal to either 15 into x and 4 into x square minus 1, little bit, 15x and 4x square minus 4. So 4x square minus 4 and minus 15x equals to 0. Then 4x square minus 15x minus 4 is equals to 0. 4x square minus 16x plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. 4x, x minus 4 plus 1, x minus 4 equals to 0. X minus 4, 4x plus 1, and x minus 4 is equals to 0 and 4x plus. So x is equals to 4 and simply minus 1 by 4. Now you write that the required number are are 4 comma minus 1 by 4. So this is the method to solve the question, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths.